Technology has made it a lot easier as far as getting color, holding color, hanging plates, to putting ink in the fountain. It's all automated now.
So for the first year, October 20 to September of 21, we calculated $100,000 in blanket savings alone. With the original dry cleaning cloths, we were having constant problems with maintenance issues, keeping spray bars clean.
Working with WestRock to advance their productivity, we've converted their dry cloth 8 blanket washer systems to pre-pack.
WestRock was founded in 2015. We are a leading packaging company worldwide. So moving to the pre-pack system made our blanket wash system more automated. It simplified it.
We're very much in tune with what the industry needs and how to supply that product and services to improve efficiency and cost reductions at our customer.
With pre-pack is non-toxic, non-hazardous, and it's safe for the environment.
So my goal would be to share this technology with other facilities so they would also embark on getting the savings.
Pre-pack cloth is much better, it's more consistent, we don't have as much downtime.